How to get started in affiliate marketing, the exact steps. Hey, you want to be an affiliate marketer, right? I got to tell you, not so long ago I didn't even know what that was. Okay, I do now. And you want to make some money in affiliate marketing, but can it be true? Can it really be true that you don't have to have a product? You can sell other people's products and all you got to do is drive traffic and make money. Well, in this video I'm not only going to reveal that it is true, but I'm also going to show you how to do it, and we're starting right now. Hey, I'm JR Fisher. Thank you for joining me on my channel. Actually, it's more your channel, because on this channel what I do is I share with you all the things I've done. I mean, since 2009 I've sold millions of dollars of both digital and physical products, and I share with you on this channel how you can do it too. So let's jump right into this affiliate marketing thing. I got to tell you, I also have a course below you can get. It's a $97 course, absolutely free. Just click and learn. And if you haven't done so already, you may be new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down there and give me a thumbs up if you would, and ring the bell. There's a bell that'll pop up as soon as you hit the subscribe button. Turn on all notifications so you're notified every single time I do a video. You're part of the VIP group, the Fisher family, so don't forget to do that. So when I first started online, I don't even think I had heard in 2009 about affiliate marketing yet. It was really pretty new to me. I didn't know what it was, and now I got to tell you, years later, I not only have done affiliate offers for other people, I have my own affiliate offers. I'm involved on every level, from physical products to digital products, in affiliate marketing. I got to tell you, it's a great way to get started. So in this video I want to show you how you can get started and the steps you need to take. So let's get going. Now, first off, let's look at the numbers. Okay, they're nice. In the US alone, affiliate marketing is a $5.6 billion business. Okay, so you don't need too big of a piece of that to really be profitable, and worldwide it's a $17 billion industry. Now, like I said, affiliate marketing is a great industry, but if you really want to kind of supercharge it, you may want to look at affiliate networks. Affiliate networks offer you a whole array of different affiliate products, so you don't have to stick with just one. Now, how do affiliate networks work? Well, basically you have to sign up, you have to fill out their application forms and all that, and then you get access to all the products that are on their site. A couple examples that we actually are involved with is Share a Sale and also ClickBank. Both of those sites have all kinds of offers for you to offer out there and make some money. Now, there's some distinct advantages to using these affiliate networks because they have managed affiliate solutions. So everything is run through that one site. All the payments, all the sales, everything is run through that site so that everybody gets paid properly. You don't have to worry about getting your payments if you're an affiliate. And if I was an affiliate marketer and I had people selling my products, I don't have to worry about paying them. The affiliate network takes care of it. The other cool thing is, like, I have products that I want affiliates to sell, but I know if I go through an affiliate network, only approved sellers can sell it. Now, every now and then do we get ripped off? Yes, of course we do. Every now and then we get ripped off, but we can then block those sellers, so we do have more control over who's selling our product. The other thing I like a whole lot is that I don't have to keep track of what's going on. The affiliate network does that, so at any point I can log in, I can see how many clicks I got, I can see how many sales I got, I can see how much money I made, and so can the affiliate. They can look in their account and see how many products they've sold, what affiliates they're working with, all their payments, when are their payments coming in. It's all in one place, so they don't have to figure it out on their own. The other thing I really like is compliance monitoring. ClickBank, Share a Sale, all this, they monitor all those compliance things that you want. Okay, the affiliate and the affiliate marketer has certain things they have to do, and that's all monitored within the affiliate network. Next thing I like is you get to tap into influencers. As somebody who has a product to sell, and as somebody who wants affiliates, I don't know who all the influencers are in an industry, but I can join an affiliate network and those influencers are already in there. They can see my product. If it matches with what they do, they can go out and market that product, and I would have had no idea who they even were if I had not used an affiliate network. The next thing I like is lower employee cost. If I were to set up my own affiliate network, in other words, I have to go out and get affiliates and I have to monitor them and I have to do all these things, it's going to cost me a lot of money. Having all these employees to do that would cost me a ton of money. If I go through an affiliate network, it's already set up. All I have to do is list my product there, or if I want to sell somebody else's product, all I have to do is grab their information and go market it. So having that lack of having to hire and train and manage all those employees, I love that. Now the next thing it builds for me as somebody who has a product that I'm selling and I want affiliates to sell it is brand awareness. The more affiliates I have out there actually marketing my product, running ads, doing posts, writing articles on my products, the more brand awareness my company gets. And the last thing, of course, it works. It works. Okay, I actually make money. I've made money at ClickBank. I've made money at ShareASale. I've made money promoting other people's offers. Matter of fact, 81% of the big brands in America right now use affiliate marketing. Why wouldn't you? Now to end all this off, I'm going to tell you that there are a lot of affiliate networks. There's a lot of places that you can sell your products. There's a lot of places that you can become an affiliate and sell other people's products. But no matter what anybody tells you, there is not one perfect affiliate network. I can say, well, I like ClickBank and I like ShareASale, but that may not be the best ones for you. You need to check these things out. You need to vet them yourself. You need to find out, do they have the kind of products you want? Do they have the kind of affiliates you want? Do you like their system? Do you like their login? Do you like how they pay out? All these things really matter. Depending on the country you're in, that can affect you too. Some of these networks do not allow certain countries to use their affiliate network, so you're gonna have to check that out depending on where you live in the world. But I will tell you, you can make money. How much money is entirely up to you. An average affiliate marketer can make $75,000 to $100,000 a year just working normal hours. But if you want to kick butt, if you want to put in a lot of hours, if you want to really go after it, if you want to run ads and do a lot of things, there are affiliate marketers out there that make millions of dollars a year. So it can be done, and it has been done. See, that's the thing that a lot of people say is, well, I guess you could do that, but is anybody really doing that? Yes, in affiliate marketing, they are doing that. And here's the truth and how you need to wrap your brain around this. If one person can do it, many can do it. If many can do it, you can do it. So as long as you look at it that way, you're not any different than these other people. If they have more education in one area, let's say on getting clicks, study that, learn how to get clicks. Okay, it's not like any of these people were born with these talents. All these talents these affiliate marketers have are all learned skills. You can learn anything. Right now you're watching this video on YouTube, and if you didn't know much about affiliate marketing, you probably know a whole lot about it right now. So affiliate marketing is a really cool thing, but don't let it scare you. Don't say, gee, I don't know about this. I don't know about this. I don't know about running ads, and I don't know how to sign up. And I've got a lot of videos on this channel alone you could watch on affiliate marketing that could really help you out. If you're interested in ClickBank, go to my channel, go to the search bar, type in ClickBank, and you're going to find a bunch of videos on that, and it will walk you through exactly what you need to do. If you want to learn how to do ShareASale, do the same thing. Go to my channel, go to the search bar, type in ShareASale, and you'll find videos on that. Don't let the lack of knowledge in the internet age, come on, stop you, right? Why would you do that? This is the days where you can learn anything about anything online, probably for free. I want to thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget, below in the description down there I have a link. This link will lead you to satisfaction. That's right, satisfaction. You'll get a course that's worth $97, but it's so satisfying you'll get it for free. All you got to do is click and learn. No credit card required. That's pretty awesome stuff, I think. Now if you've got a comment on affiliate marketing, have you done affiliate marketing? If so, put a comment below. Let me know what your results were. Let me know who you like for affiliate networks. Let me know what kind of products you like. If you have questions about any of those things, put those questions below in that comment section down there. I'll be happy to answer those for you. Now this video, along with many of the other videos that I do, can make you money. Why not take some time and go through and watch 10 20 30 40 50 of my videos? You'll get charged zero. You'll get charged zero. Why not do that and learn from somebody who's already sold products online? Like I told you in the beginning, not to brag, but I've sold millions of dollars of both digital and physical products, and I give out advice every day. Not everybody takes it. Sometimes it's frustrating for me, but I've learned over the years that most people don't do anything. Who are you going to be? Are you going to be the person who does something, or the person who doesn't do anything? Don't fall in that category. Make yourself a star. Go do these things. They work. They can make you money. They can earn you freedom. If you have money, you got freedom. That's how it all works out. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit the subscribe button down there, and what's the other part? Quick thumbs up, and ring the bell. You got to turn on all bell notifications. When you do that, you're going to be notified every single time I do a new video, or if I go live, you'll be part of the Fisher family, the VIP group, who gets notified first. You'll be in the front of the line. That's pretty cool stuff, right? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.